everyone, welcome to another episode of Banking and Crypto Guide. Today I'm going to be showing you how to log into your Citizens Bank from your computer. Watch the video till the end to learn how, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel if you've not yet. Press the notification bell so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. Now let's get started. Open up a web browser of your choice and go to the URL box at the top. Type in www.citizensbank.com and press enter on your keyboard. Doing this will take you to the official site of Citizens Bank, which looks like this. Go to the top right hand corner and click the login button in red. Now, in the expanded menu, select your login type from the drop down. After you do so, click the login button. In the login area appearing on the next page, type in your user ID associated with your online banking account. Once you do that, if you'd like the system to remember your user ID, click on Remember User ID box beneath, but make sure to leave it unchecked if you are using a public device or a shared device. Once you enter your user ID, go to the next field where it says password and type in your password correct. If you're having trouble logging in since you've forgotten your credentials, you can click on this trouble logging in link and follow the instructions in order to reset your password or look for your user ID. Once you enter your credentials, click on the login button in orange and you'll be able to log into your Citizens online banking account right away from your computer. That is how you can easily do it. I hope you found the video to be helpful. If you did, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. I'll be back soon with more videos like this. Thank you for watching.